Checking out ACT CRM? Links are below. ACT CRM is a customer relationship management platform perfect for small to medium-sized businesses. It's affordable and flexible, helping you manage customer interactions, track sales, and automate key processes. Known for its ease of use and robust contact management, ACT prioritizes simplicity and customization. One standout feature is its comprehensive contact management. It offers a centralized database to store customer details, track interactions, and manage notes, tasks, and activities. This 360-degree view helps build stronger relationships. The built-in calendar and task manager keep you on top of everything. ACT also includes pipeline management to help visualize and manage deals at every stage. Track opportunities, set priorities, and forecast revenue using customizable pipelines. While not as advanced as some enterprise-level CRMs, it offers essential tools for small teams. For marketing, ACT offers email marketing capabilities directly within the platform. Create campaigns, manage lists, and track key metrics like open and click-through rates. This is especially useful for small businesses needing basic marketing automation. ACT is highly customizable, letting you tailor it to your specific needs. Create custom fields, adjust layouts, and automate workflows. It also integrates with popular tools like Outlook, Gmail, and QuickBooks for seamless workflows. While the interface might feel outdated compared to newer CRMs, its affordability and simplicity make it great for smaller businesses. In conclusion, ACT CRM is excellent for small to medium-sized businesses needing an easy-to-use, customizable CRM. Its straightforward design makes it a strong option for growing businesses. Check the links below to explore ACT CRM and see if it's right for you. This review should help you decide.